Hey nail lovers, welcome back to ILO Nails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Well, today we have your Nail Lab monthly subscription. So I just wanted to open it up with you and see what we have. So bear with me. Look how cute, your Nail Lab in a box. Ta-da! Woohoo! We got goodies. All right, what do we have here? The Artistic Collection, the Nail Lab Artistic Collection. So I'm assuming, let's see, open this up. Oh yeah, how pretty. This is when we do the stamping. Look how cute though, with the glitter. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, how fancy. You're fancy, Ma. You're fancy. Don't mind me. I just chopped off my nails. You see that? They were pretty though. So yeah, this is the scraping board. We got to do a demo with that. So yeah. All right. So we got that, right? Let's put that here. And then we have gel polish. What color? This is number 8. I'm assuming. Let's open it up. Let me. Ooh, how cute, right? That's pretty. All right. And more gel polish. This is number 9, and this is number 8. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, fancy, fancy schmancy. Nice. All right. So I like polygel. I like everything, but I like polygel. So we are going to open this up, right, with some help of my scissors. And this is Club Revolution. Yay! Club Revolution. Let's see. You gotta use the teeth sometimes, even though it's not sanitary. Oh, this is gonna be fire with glitter. Yes. Let me show you. Bear with me. Let me show you. Let's see. All right. Oop, I got to. Let me show you. Yeah, how pretty that is. A nice ombre. Whoa. Yes. Bear with me. Let me put it down. Take some alcohol. Put it in a little jar. And let's maneuver this bad boy. Right? Let's see. Wow. Right? I like. Pretty. All right. Nice, right? Pretty. All right. Let's see what else. So we got that. Just keep it in the box. I should have just took it out. Take it out. And the next one we have these scissors. Yes. These scissors. Oops. That's okay. It's nightclub. Ooh, nightclub. Let's try nightclub. slow. Coco, hey. That's my dog. All right, let's do night up here, right? And then maybe let's try to do it like an ombre, right? What are you eating now? Cool beans, right? So we got both. We got the Club Revolution and the nightclub together. That's cool. All right. What else do we have? We have Nail Artiste Nail Lab Polish. Let's open it up. Coco, over there. We gotta break boxes. We ain't got time for that, right? This is Glitter Top Coat. Glitter Top Coat. Oh, interesting. Oh, how pretty. Oh, hold on. Let's do one of these. All right. Oh, I must have known. I like bling bling. Right? It's pretty. Let's dry it up. Let's dry it up. And while we're waiting for that to dry up, let's clean up a little bit. Or maybe I could dry this up too. Let me clean it up. Coco, go over there. You're gonna get hurt under the table. So we can dry this up too. Maybe just put some. All right. And while we got that drying, let's send me some tips. Oh, nail press-ons. I'm sorry, nail press-ons. Short ones. We could do something with that, right? Let's open this up. I can't put them on my fingers right now, but we can create something. Yes, we can. Oh, and we got the glue. How cute. Yeah, and they sent two different colors. You got the black and I'm assuming, I don't know, beige. Oh, and it comes with everything included. Look how cute. Your tabs and all. Nail file, alcohol, your sticky, and your adhesive to put them on. Oh, fire, right? Oh, how cute. Nice. Look at that. And then last but not least, let's check this out. It says Birds of Paradise Nail Decoration Set. So we're gonna open this up. Let's see, open this up. And oh wow, we have a coupon. Nice, thank you. We got some stick-ons, decals, stickers. Let me give me a second. Oh, how pretty. A whole bunch of glitter. You don't need this. Oh. Look how cute. Wow. We got some rhinestones. We got some rhinestones here too, big ones. Some nice glitter circles, different colors. And what is this? Oh, and we got some charms. And then we got some although what you must look. Check it out. Yeah, isn't that pretty? Yeah. Cool. And then let me try and see if I can grab this. It says, hey babe, this is a curated box of Makartt products from our nail stylist that we hope you'll love. When you create your nails with the contents of this box, don't forget to tag us at Makartt official, _official, so we can share your beautiful design with our community. Oh, and don't forget, if you like these items and want to purchase full kits, you can use your code. Ah, okay. Bye. All right. So, and then last but not least, we got stickies. Feathers. More feathers. Nice. Paradise. Oh, this is pretty. So let me just try to accommodate this back here the best way possible. So you can see, oh, this is pretty. I like this. How cute. Voila. And let me show you. I gotta do the, hold on. We're not finished with the glitter yet. I wanted to show you a second hand. Glitter nail polish that we have. Or maybe I could put it on this here. And don't forget the glitter top coat, right? And I'm drying the nail polish. So maybe we could put some top coat. Oh, there is a top coat. So let's see how cute it looks. And there you have it. This is the glitter top coat right here. It's not bad, right? Maybe you gotta do 3 hands. This is 2. And then these are the poly gels. Check them out. The 2 poly gels here. The Club Revolution is on the top, which is the purple one, and the Night Club, which is the black. Nice, right? Cool. So there you have it. Excuse me. My nail lab in a box, and you're more than welcome to check me out. Again, I'm gonna create something with this beautiful box. So stay tuned, and peace. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you like, don't like, critique. Very good criticism is always welcome. And I'm here to grow with you guys. So if you haven't already done so that I can keep doing my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you.